16 into a plus b square minus
Ma'am.
Tell me.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So a plus b whole square is there. So depending upon that, just what we can take here. Look at that and do it. First step a plus b whole square. So same a plus b we can take means what we have to take. Negative 4 if we took common. Both the negatives are there. So negative 4 if we took means a plus b we will get. Then from that two terms, which one we can take common?
4.
4 only. 4 and two terms. 4 into a plus b and 4 into a plus b. And here 16 into a plus b. From the 4, not only 4. 4
A plus
a plus b also it can. Then balance 16 we have only 4. 4 a plus b only we took 2 we need. So one more a plus b is needed. 4 into a plus b. Then minus nothing is there means what we want to write?
1.
1. Okay. Then change the values. 4 into a plus b. Then 4a plus 4b minus 1. Some disturbance going on. Yeah. Problem with your mic. Four into a plus b. Got it now? Any doubt? 4a minus plus 4b minus 1. Can we do the next one? Seventh one. Complete.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We completed.
Okay, seventh one. A raised to 4 minus 2a cube minus 4a plus 8. A raised to 4 minus 2a cube minus 4a plus 8. From first two terms, we can take which one? A cube we can.
A cube.
Balance a minus 2. After that only you write. I will give you time. Wait. A raised to 4 minus 2a cube. So a cube we can take. Balance a minus 2. So next step, depending upon this a minus 2, you adjust this. Okay. So a minus 2. Then what we have to write? Then only next step we can take a minus 2 common. No, that's why I am writing this a minus 2. Or if you can take directly that 4 means no problem. Which we,
and 4.
I think this is easy. So is it 4? What 4?
Ma'am, for that 4.
Yes,
Negative 4 or positive 4?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. Then only negative 4 will become negative 4a. Negative into negative positive 8. If you take this a minus 2 and if you are writing this negative 4, this will correct. If it is correct means automatically this one will be correct. It will be correct. Don't bother about the second term. It will be correct. So a minus 2 in balance a cube minus 4. Then
Ma'am, so A.
huh?
Ma'am, so A.
Can we do anything? Nothing. That's it. If it is 8 means we can do, no. A cube minus 8 means 8 can be written as what? A cube minus 2 cube. That is a cube minus b cube we studied in the last formula we studied. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That much simplification we want to do. Or instead of a cube minus 8, it is suppose a square minus a cube minus 4. Instead of that, suppose it is a square minus 4 means you have to write a square minus 2 square. That is a square minus b square form. That is a plus b into a minus b. But Here we can't do anything. That is a cube and 4, nothing. So we can't do anything. So maximum simplification we have to do. So this is the answer. Do slowly, listen carefully and do it. 8th question, AB minus 2B plus A square minus 2A. Tell me.
Ma'am, we can take common A
From
from that.
AB, AB minus 2A. Okay, which one we can take common? B if we take common means balance will be A minus 2. Okay, so if we take the same A minus 2 here, it will be correct or not? Check it. If we take that A minus 2, what I have to write as common?
A
Plus A.
Plus A.
Plus A.
Then A into A square plus A into 2 is minus 2A. So A minus 2 here, then B plus A. Or you can write, if your text back answer is A plus B, you can write it as, instead of B plus A, you can write it as A plus B. So either this or this, both answers are correct. Ninth question somewhat different. Just check it whether you can take anything common or not. AB into x square plus 1 plus x into a square plus b square. First listen me, after that you can write ninth question. Completed 8th one? And after that you can explain.
Yes,
Okay. So listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen, don't write. AB into x square plus 1. So what we can do, if the same thing, a minus 2 is there, means we can take a minus 2 common. So can we take anything, x square plus 1 in brackets and a square plus b square in brackets? We can't do anything. No, we can't take common. So what we have to do?
So we have to take.
We have friends
Oh.
here. We have friend. They are friends. The next year, we don't like this friends. What we will do? We will go
We
with
will
that.
quit them.
So for that, what we have to do? We have to
With that friends.
cut that
With
friendship. Cut that friendship. No. So same way, what we have to do here? Here cutting means what? We have to change brackets. We have to split. No, split. So they are friends. These two are friends. That is AB. Friend of AB is x square plus 1. But he don't want that friendship. So what we will do? It's not good. So we will shuffle it. So AB into x square plus AB, changing the brackets, plus xa square plus what? xb square. Then next step is we have to form a friend. No, grouping 2. So which 2 will be possible? After that you can write. Just to tell me. After that I will give you time. Which 2 will become friends? Tell me. Most of the students will make mistake. That's why I'm asking you.
BX plus A.
Huh?
BX plus A.
Where is bx plus a? Where is it bx? Here, from here, no? Where is bx? Bx square only, no?
ABX square plus AB will become friends.
Very good. Who is that? Tell me. Dia. Okay. Then next. How many of you are agreeing with that? Okay, Satvik. Then next. Tell me. Come on. Huh? You can turn on your mic and tell me, raising your hands. Okay, just I will look. How many are there? Agreeing with okay, Ashok, Alan, okay, Alan Shaji, Gayatri, Satvik, Jose, okay, Melina, Abhinanda, Basil, Niyadi, Lena Maria, Anushree, Nia. Okay. What about others? You are not agreeing. Why? You don't like to become their friends.
No, ma'am.
Hmm?
Listen that.
So for those students, it is wrong. Why? Because who said that? Diya and Satvik said first. No. So that is wrong. Why? Because if we take this two, which one is common then? AB into x square plus 1. That only we shuffled. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We don't want your
Yes, ma'am.
friendship. We are saying that Satvik, I don't want your friendship. So next year also what I will do? I will come there, no? And okay, we will become friends. Is that possible? Is that possible?
No,
No,
ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
So same way again AB and x square plus AB means what? AB if you are taking means x square plus 1 same only, no. We don't want that. That's why we change the brackets. So think like that way. Think that like that way. So next time if we don't want these two. So you just go with the next one
BX.
and this two. So just rearrange the places plus xa square plus AB into plus xp square. Check whether it is possible or not. Don't write.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether possible or
Yes,
not.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
A you can take, then one x also you can take.
BX plus A.
X
BX plus
plus
A.
A. Then same bx we have to get bx plus A you have to get here.
B.
Hmm.
X B.
B square x. So we have only b's. B.
Plus D.
BA is same as what? If we change the brackets, you will get it as b square x. No. B into bx b square x. That is b square x here. Then b into a is what? B into a is same as what? A into b, which is equal to ab. No.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will happen? If we change the bracket, we will get a company first and the third, and the second and the fourth.
Fourth.
Okay. So right now. Then change the bracket, then change the place. AB x square plus AB. If you need, you write this brackets. This shifting the place. Put an arrow with your pencil. So after that only we are writing this step. Is changing the place. So from this to, you are sitting in the kitchen, I think. You're having your food. Someone.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Can hear some sound. Hungry, all of you? Feel hungry?
No, ma'am.
Xa square. So from here bx plus a. If we took means balance will be ax plus b. Up to this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then I have a doubt, you have to clear to me that. Okay. So first if we took these two means we won't get. So I told you to do the first and the third one and the second and the fourth one. I don't like this friend. Xa square. I don't want this. I want to become friend with this one and this one. Is it possible or not? If they are in the same character only, we will make friend. No. Peculiarity of a friend is what? Peculiarity of a friend is what? If we can join with that friend, in all the sense, we two should be same. Then only we will become friend. No.
Is it possible, ma'am?
Check whether it is possible or not. So in max means we can do different methods. Last answer will be correct. So if first one not possible, first and the second, third and fourth is not possible. So we change the bracket. So first and third we took and we got the answer. Then let me check whether ax square, if we rearrange this instead of this, after this step, if we rearrange abx square, then next what we can write? xb square. xb square plus ab plus xa square. That means first and the last, second and third. We can do that also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
If getting means we can do that also. So just check it. Which one possible here from these two?
Can
Which
be
B and
A
XB. Okay. XB. Okay.
A X
AX
plus
plus
B.
AX plus B. Okay. Then same AX plus B we have to write here. No. AX plus B. Then
A
plus A
X A.
A.
A. Not A square X will get. Then AB means A into B. Then from here AX plus B we can take common. Balance is what? XB.
XB plus A.
Plus, that is XB is same as what? BX. XB is same as BX, no? BX plus.
Plus A.
So same answer. BX plus A.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes only it will happen. Not all the times. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So either you can do this way or this way. Both. Anyone.
Also say also X also.
Huh? If this no need means you can write this only. Okay. Those who need only after this you can do this third.
Ma'am, time.
Okay, 11:35 only, no. 11:50 up to 12 o'clock, no, we have class 10 minutes, only one or two questions only.
Yes, ma'am.
Up to 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock, no.
Up to 12.
One question, 5 minutes. So next question also 5 minutes. So saying 11:50 is enough. Okay, then completed now, 9th one, then 10th question.
Yes.
So same way you have to complete this, can I know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Try your own 10th one. Take your rough book with you just to try it. Which one will be possible?
It's also like the 9th one.
Only one method is enough. So either one method. So next question onwards, I am doing only one method. Okay. So a square plus b minus ab minus a. So a square plus b. Can we join that too, or can we take anything common from first and second?
A square and A minus
A plus ma'am X square and A square and A.
and A
B minus
Okay, from this.
B.
So rearranging a square minus a, we will write first. Then plus b minus ab. Okay. Then a. A minus 1. Then same a minus 2 right here.
B.
No,
B.
don't write like that way. Same a minus, otherwise you will make confusion. A minus 1 you write. Otherwise this type of questions you will commit mistakes with that a negative sign. So better a minus 1 itself you write a minus 1. Then adjust with this and you have to get b and negative ab. So what we have to do?
B comma.
B comma.
Negative. Negative B.
Negative b you have to take.
B.
Understood.
So
Otherwise,
minus b.
if you are not, listen, a into a minus 1. Suppose if you are not writing this a minus 1, instead of that what you will write means, don't write, first listen, you will write only positive b. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
We have a tendency to write the positive. We are not thinking about the negative. So positive b we will take and we will get what b means what positive b. So 1 minus what? Okay, 1 minus a you will write. So next step, again you have to take one negative. So good. One more step we have to write. So better a minus 1 and 1 minus a, are they same? 2 minus 3
No.
and 3 minus 2. Are they same? No.
No.
3 minus 2 minus 3 is negative 1. 3 minus 2 is
Negative 1. 1.
They are not same.
Yes, ma'am.
So better don't go with this method. Better as soon as see this, you see this, what you have to do is, what we want to do? A into A minus 1. Then B and A minus, minus AB. So better A minus 1, same thing you write here. Then negative A only we have, so B. So negative B, A is same as negative B, negative into negative positive B. I think it is clear. The next step, A minus 1 into A minus B. The 11th question.
Math not completed.
Not completed. Okay. Before Corona, question number 11. Before Corona, they were become friends. Then after that, we don't want that friendship.
No.
Then, so what we have to do with that question number 11? Think of that and say. X plus by bx minus ay. Can we take anything common? If we have a minus 1, then only we can take common, no? So here, can we take anything common?
No common. Nothing common.
Wow. So what we can do?
So we
Change the bracket.
This is chapter 5. This is chapter 5. So before chapter 5, we studied chapter 4. Chapter 4, same model, no? Chapter 4.
Change the
Expansion
bracket.
expansion of don't know.
square.
A plus B whole square.
A plus B whole square, that is in the form of A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square. That is A square plus 2AB plus B square and A square minus 2AB plus B square form. No, both. So how can we write Ax? The whole square A square plus 2AB.
AB
Do it.
plus BY.
A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A square x square plus 2ABxy plus B square y square plus B square x square minus 2ABxy plus A square y square. Minus 2AB plus 2AB cancel ABxy. So balance we will get it as A square x square plus B square y square plus B square x square plus A square y square. Any doubt up to this?
No, ma'am.
I'm somewhere.
What is it? Alan Shadi.
No doubt, ma'am.
Then next step. Now we got a question only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
We do some simplification and we got the question only. We not yet reached the answer. So next step, what we can, which two we can take together, which one we can take common. Can we
A
take
square.
A square plus A square.
A square x square and this is not possible.
B square. A square.
We can go for it. A square x square plus b square x square plus b square y square plus a square y square. Okay, rearranging. This is not possible. First and second term, we can't do anything. So we will go with this third term. So which one from here, which one we can take common? X square we can take common. Balance will be a square plus b square.
B square
Then same. No, don't say plus
plus
or now don't say anything. What I told.
right,
Say
X square plus B
same a square plus b square. You write. That is better. I told no. A square plus b square. Then
positive
plus y
plus
y square
y square. So a square plus b square into x square plus y square is the answer. So one more question we can do after that exam. Okay. 12th question. A square x square plus ax square plus 1 into x plus a. So don't try to change the bracket. Before changing the bracket, just think of the remaining two. That is x is common for both ax square and 1. That means they are friends. X and ax square plus 1 are friends. Already they were friends. Then remaining two are there. So automatically we can think of whether they can become friends or not. No. If not possible,
Yes, ma'am.
we will change the bracket. Just think of whether they can. X square plus a plus that same ax square plus 1 into x. So in next step, think and say within brackets we have ax square plus 1. So in next step, if we have ax square plus 1, if we take it as common means, then it will be easy, no? So make this ax square plus 1 in terms of ax square plus 1. Ax square plus a, can we make this ax square plus a in terms of ax square plus 1? Can we?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can we take ax square plus 1? Is it possible or not?
Yes,
Check it.
ma'am.
So what I have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
comment here?
A.
A. So if we change the bracket, we will get a square x square, no? Then
Yes,
a 1 a. So this is our question. No? Next step, x square plus 1 we can take common. Then a plus x. Okay. So can we start? 4D.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Exam 4D. So turn on your video. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
completed.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So turn on your video.